Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, June 15th, and it's early in the morning. If you could tell, I have my beautiful house coat on and yesterday's shirt. Rob just left for work a little while ago. The girls are still upstairs sleeping, and I'm going to vlog today. So yesterday we went to, I talked about it in the pregnancy update. We went to like the elective 3D, 4D ultrasound place near our house, and I'll have to get the pictures to show you the baby. He is so cute. He looks just like Lily and Mia, especially in the ultrasound. They all have the same nose, they have the same chin. It's so cute. And she said he's probably about 4 pounds right now, which is 29 weeks. So he's probably gonna be big, just like his sisters. They were both just about 9 pounds and like in the 21-inch range at birth. Lily was born at 41 weeks and Mia was born at 39 weeks. And this baby will be born like somewhere in 39 weeks. We got our new washing machine this weekend. So thank goodness for that. We don't have to go anywhere to wash clothes anymore. I'll show you the washing machine in a second. And that's just about it. We didn't do too much this weekend. We got the washing machine and we went to the ultrasound place. Things in New York are starting to open up more. Where we are now, we're in phase 2, which is like outdoor dining. You can go into stores now instead of just doing like curbside pickup for things or delivery, and some other stuff, but like those are the two things that, you know, I'm concerned with right now. I also got, when Mia used this car seat, we lived in our old house and I could not for the life of me find like this piece that goes here, and then there's like another body insert piece, and I couldn't find it when we moved. I don't know if I threw it out or what happened to it, but I called Graco and they sent me a new one. So they didn't have the body piece in stock and they wouldn't have it until the end of September, and probably by the end of September he wouldn't even need it anyway because he would be more than the 10 or 12 pounds, whatever it is that you're supposed to take these out at. So at least we have this. This is what I'm more concerned with. And now I can take this apart and wash it, so that way that can get ready. I washed a whole bunch of his clothes yesterday, and I'll show you later on when I go upstairs when the girls wake up. Okay, here she is. Here's our new washing machine. So excited. It's a GE, it's just like regular washer, you know, has all the electronic buttons, but I just wanted a washing machine that would work, so I'm excited about it. I have so many things that I never took like to somebody else's house to wash because I was like, I'm not going to bring all of our blankets and sheets and all that stuff. I'm just going to bring our clothes and like the necessities we need to wash. So I feel like I'm so far behind on doing laundry. I have a huge pile behind me of random stuff that needs to be washed. Since we got this on Saturday, I've done like 8 loads of laundry. And I'm trying not to do that many because we have a septic tank and I don't want to like flood the lines because I read that's a thing. I don't really know, but I have anxiety, so I didn't want to do that. So, but at least I have it and everything will get done in time. Right? Right. Let me know in the comments if you guys have husbands in construction or any type of construction work. How many things do you pull out of their pocket every time you do the wash? This lighter is not because he's a smoker. It's for lighting the tank thing. He needs to do something. I don't know. I don't know any of the words, but I know it's not for smoking. So I haven't tried any of the other like settings on here. I just have it set for normal, cold water, normal wash, and rinse, spin, or yeah, normal spin, normal wash. I haven't tried any of these. I guess that I could push to save this one. I don't know. But I'm gonna wash our comforter after this, so I'm gonna try that one, obviously. I was really worried on Saturday because the first load of wash that I did, when I put it in the dryer, it didn't dry the clothes all the way. So I was like, great, we got a new washer and now our dryer is gonna break. But I think it was because it was a lot of like of the sleeper sack, so it had a lot of Velcro, and it was a lot of clothes that, I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath, clothes that had buttons on it and like lots of baby stuff. So I think they all got like tangled up together and like Velcroed together, and it didn't like dry the middle of like everything turning. That's what I'm hoping. The other loads that I put in, they all came out dry, so keep your fingers crossed for me that our dryer doesn't break too. And I'm sorry I've been talking for 6 minutes about our washing machine, but if you're a mom like me, then you get excited over getting a new washing machine. So we did go to Walmart this weekend too, and I got these two pairs. I actually got another pair, but I have them on, so I'll have to show you after. Pairs of shorts, because I don't have any like regular, like just around the house kind of shorts, and I haven't really seen any maternity ones. So I just got like a size up from my normal size. They felt a little tight. I tried them on over my pants in the store. But I really needed pants for just like sitting around at home. And these are pajama pants, but I thought these would also be good for the hospital since it'll be August. It's going to be hot. And these are just, you know, these were cheap, like $5 shorts. So if they get ruined, I wouldn't be upset to have to throw them out afterwards. And hopefully I'll only be staying like a day and a half. So like the first day, you know, you stay in like the hospital gown and everything before you're allowed to shower. And then I could wear these and I wouldn't even care to wear them home, because who am I trying to impress? These are the other pair I got. They're sloths, and they're clearly just pajama shorts. But like I said, if these are to get ruined after I have the baby, it's not a big deal. I just put these black ones on, and I'm really not sure. I had to like pull them up high to hide my love handles over here, and I'm not sure. Let's move this laundry out of the way and pretend it doesn't exist. How high this comes up, and there's no like liner underneath, so I don't know, but whatever. It's better than I was wearing. Let's see, these are a pair of my husband's old shorts that I was wearing, and they're long and the elastic is like gone, so these are better than that, at least. I put my house coat on because it's still cold. Somebody asked if I could do a belly shot in the morning versus at night. So it's 7:30 now. Here's my morning belly, and then I'll follow up again at night. Like the lawnmower, yeah.
And the green for grass.
Yeah.
That starts a tree.
That's right.
Not using daddy's camera. This one is daddy. The blue one is daddy. The blue one is daddy's, right, Mommy?
Yeah. My mother-in-law got them those nails, and they were very difficult to put on. They have like the paper that you have to peel off one side, then stick it on, then peel off the other side, and then stick the nail on. So that was fun. I'm still hungry. I don't know what to eat. I should take something out for dinner. Oh, there is bread here. Oh yeah, I thought I had no more bread. But I forgot I had one in the freezer. Nice. We got some chicken for tonight. I think I'm gonna make like shredded chicken tacos. So that way there can be, I'm just gonna use this. Get back in there. So that way there can be leftover meat for lunches during the week. I already had breakfast this morning. I had oatmeal, but I'm still hungry. So I'm gonna have something else. Okay, so here's an overview of what's going on here. I started washing all this stuff, and some of it was still wet, like I said, so I just like left it hanging places. Somebody put all this stuff in here.
I did.
Why? I told you not to touch it.
It's so soft.
All this stuff in here is 3 months, so I haven't washed any of that yet. I've just washed, get down, newborn and 0 to 3. So, but what my dilemma is, we have these 2 dressers, a white one
Mommy,
and a gray one.
Yogurt.
And I was planning on using this one for all his stuff, but I have to get knobs. I painted that. It used to be like a brown dresser. And I don't know if I should save this one like for storage in here. It's just a regular dresser. I don't have like, I have this cube organizer in here, but I wanted to get one like to put here. And I could keep like extra diapers and toys and random stuff. Or for now, should I just hang on to this dresser and maybe put it in the corner here, like catty corner it, and pull the crib down?
And we have Star Wars on.
You watched Star Wars with Daddy last night, right?
Yeah.
So, I don't know. But I'm going to start putting this stuff away so that way I can get some kind of idea of what to do. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna get rid of this dresser. And I'll just get a cube organizer, maybe to put over here for now, since we have all these diapers stacked up. I know that this was recalled, but he won't be sleeping in it. It's just gonna be a place to put him down when I need to for a little bit. So all the stuff in the crib here, I'm gonna do like a haul of all the stuff we got for him. So I did wash all these things, but I saved the packaging so that way I could show like what we got. Almost everything off of Amazon, but so I could show like what it's called or whatever. And these things I haven't opened yet, but these are all things that'll be a part of this haul. These are all samples I've gotten, but I put everything that's 3 months is in these drawers, since he won't need that for a couple weeks after he's home. And then I have newborn t-shirts, long sleeves, pants, sleepers. Then down here is 0 to 3 months, long months, t-shirts, pants, sleepers. And on the very bottom, these are where I'm going to put all of like the swaddles and everything. But most of them are new, so they're a part of the haul, so they're in this bed. It's driving me kind of nuts that I can't like figure out what to do in here. This room is really small, so like having this big, huge monstrosity in here is bothering me. The swing is bothering me. This is bothering me. Like I want to take it all out and get it all set up, but I feel like it's just too early to do that. I'll be 30 weeks at the end of this week. So maybe in like 2 more weeks, I guess. What does it matter? I don't know. I don't really want them putting like their dolls and stuff in it while he's not here. I don't want that to like become a habit. And then, you know, when he's here, they're still doing that. But I still have another basket of newborn stuff I bought from somebody. And yeah, I think tonight when Rob gets home, we're gonna have to get rid of that because I want it out of here so I can order the cube organizer, get it in here, get it set up. Also sometime this week, I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby since that's open and get something for all these bare walls. And I need new curtains. So we got a lot of stuff to do in here. And 10 weeks to do it. So that's it.
It's so clean in here, Mommy.
You show them your vlogging camera you have now?
I have a camera. I just showed you the video.
Yeah. So I've made some good progress in there. I'm okay right now. I feel better about it. It's 10 o'clock. I have to take my blanket out of the wash and hang it up outside while it's sunny so it can dry, because it takes like 3 hours in the dryer to dry it. So I'm just gonna hang it up outside. And I'm hot now. So I'm gonna do something about this. And Lily's gonna start her schoolwork soon, so she's not gonna be too excited about that. Okay, so it's been a while. It's 4:30 now. I thought this would have taco seasoning in it, but it does not. So I just I had a little bit of this, well, it was a whole package, but I didn't use the whole thing. I just used a little bit of this mojito lime marinade mix. It's pretty old. It's not expired though, so I just put a sprinkle of that on top, and then I put fajita seasoning, onion powder, salt, and pepper And I guess I'll just make it like shredded fajita chicken or something. So we are going to cook this for 25 minutes, I think, because they're still kind of frozen and they're pretty big. So 25 minutes is good. Okay, so I added some corn and black beans to it. This is like a huge pot of shredded chicken. There's so much in here. And guess what? I don't even want to eat this. The girls are on their second taco. This time they just wanted cheese with it and some sour cream, but I'm just gonna have cereal because that's life, being pregnant and making dinner. I don't want it. I don't want it at all. I really want pizza, is what I really want, but maybe another night. So it is way later again. It's 9:55 and I'm making a peanut butter and jelly because, like I said, I couldn't eat the dinner and I had some cereal before, but that just didn't do it. So I'm going to have a peanut butter and jelly and then go upstairs. But I did want to show you my belly at the end of the day. I have those sloth shorts on. I don't know if you can tell now the difference at the end of the day, because before I was in the mirror. But yeah, that's it. I couldn't fall asleep before, probably because I'm still hungry, and just at the end of the day, like, I just don't feel good at the end of the day. My legs hurt, my head hurts, my stomach hurts, because whenever we're like laying in bed, we've been watching Ozark. I know we're behind on the whole game. We're on episode 9 of season 2 right now, so don't ruin it. But whenever I'm laying down, it's like he's pushing out so far and like spinning around in a circle or something, and it just makes me feel like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but maybe somebody will understand what I'm trying to say. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.